Here is the complete practical guidance for using Metarhizium anisopliae powder for tick control in dairy farms. It is a beneficial fungus that attacks and kills ticks, lice, mites, and flies, while being 100% safe for cows, buffaloes, humans, and the environment. Approved for organic and residue-free dairy farming. It infects ticks naturally, grows inside their body, and causes death in 3 to 7 days. This solution kills ticks at all life stages, ensures no milk withdrawal period, leaves no chemical residue, and prevents resistance problems. It's safe for calves and pregnant animals, ultimately improving overall herd health. For animal body spray, mix 5 to 10 grams of powder per 1 liter of clean water. First, mix the powder in a little water, then make the total volume 1 liter. Spray on the neck, dewlap, undertail, udder area externally, and inner thighs. Repeat every 7 to 10 days, 3 times, for full control. For shed and floor spray, use 50 to 100 grams of powder in 10 liters of water. Spray on the floor, cracks and corners, drainage areas, and walls up to 3 feet in height. Repeat this application every 15 days. For bedding and manure treatment, mix 100 grams of powder in 10 kilograms of dry ash or soil. Spread this mixture on the bedding area, manure pit, and wet corners. The best time to apply is early morning or evening, when the temperature is between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. Avoid direct sunlight during spraying and do not mix with chemical disinfectants. Expected results show ticks becoming weak in 3 to 4 days, tick death starting in 5 to 7 days, heavy reduction in 10 to 14 days, and 90 to 95% control within 21 days. Yes, it can be mixed with neem for a very effective combination. The best herbal plus fungal formula includes 5 grams of Metarhizium, 5 milliliters of neem oil, 2 drops of Mind soap, and 1 liter of water. As precautions, do not mix with bleaching powder, phenol, formalin, or strong chemical tick medicines. Use the mixture within 6 to 8 hours after preparation and store the powder in a cool, dry place. Comparing chemical sprays to Metarhizium, the latter has no milk withdrawal, no resistance issues, is approved for organic use, and offers very high safety. In conclusion, Metarhizium anisopliae is one of the best long-term, organic, and safe solutions for tick control in dairy farms. It should be used in integrated tick management with hygiene, herbal oils, and nutrition.